Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to edit your Microsoft Excel Word document files and Markdown files directly inside your VS Code. So there is an extension that you need to install here which lets you do this. So the extension name is Office Viewer. It's the Microsoft Office official. It acts like you can actually preview multiple documents, Word documents, Excel files, and also Markdown files as well using a WYSIWYG editor. This is actually the thing about this extension. So simply go to extension, just type here Office Viewer, and the very first extension which comes right here. Simply click the install button, and in the documentation that you can see, it also comes with its own theme as well, one dark modern. You can select the theme. After that, simply open the file here. You open the So now you will see it will actually preview all your Markdown file here. This is my sample.markdown file. So this is the highlighting that it provides you. It also has various themes that you can put for Markdown highlighting by selecting the theme button right here, and you can select from a various of themes. So you can edit the files right here itself. So this is your Markdown file. Similarly, we also have the Excel file which comes with this editor, this Microsoft Excel editor. So here you can edit your data directly inside VS Code. As you can see, we are editing all this data right here. This is, you can see sheet 1, and here you can we are directly editing this data inside our Excel file. And same goes for Word document file as well. So you can actually download a Word document file from the internet. Let me just download this file here, sample doc file. So it's a great extension, Office Viewer. Let me copy this inside this folder and show to you. So this is our doc file. If I show you, this is the doc file. I think this needs to be DOCX file, not, yeah, so this one is the file here, Word document file. So if I just paste it right here, so this is your DOCX file here. If I try to open this, now you can see the Word document file directly opens, and you can even edit. You can go to the page number right here. You can input, go to any page, and you can see all the images, all the text data is currently showing, all the table-like structure. So it actually acts as a Word document viewer extension where you can actually read your Word documents directly. So this is Word document. You can even preview Excel files using a built-in editor. You can make changes. It's very simple, as you can see. And then we also can preview our Markdown file as well. So this is the ultimate extension which comes with its own theme as well. You can see it has various themes as well. So you can check out this extension. Just go to extensions tab and just type here Office Viewer, and start editing your files using a WYSIWYG editor as well. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.